Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1049 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out this new Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash Extreme Volume and Lash Tint Effect Mascara. I have this in the shade Blackest Black 760, and this was actually sent to me from Influencer, and I am so excited. I love trying out mascaras, but I have never tried out a mascara that's also supposed to tint your lashes. So this says extreme volume and lash tint effect and up to 24-hour wear. Ultra creamy formula for your baddest volume all day and all night. Lash tint technology darkens bare lashes in as little as 7 days with daily use. No clumping, no smudging, no flaking. That sounds awesome. It also says it has double-sided brush. What? Okay, let's get into this. So this is a drugstore product. I see that you can get it at Walmart for $6.97. Seems so affordable compared to the other kind of high-end mascaras that I've been trying lately that I get in like Ipsy and BoxyCharm. All right, well I feel dumb because I thought that you had to like physically change the brush, but no, I guess it's just like the angle that you look at it, the wider side or the straight side. So that's not as cool as I originally thought it was, where you could actually like adjust the size of the brush. I've actually had a mascara, I think from maybe Marc Jacobs, that did that, and you like kind of twisted the end and it either got bigger or shorter, and it was awesome. I loved that mascara. But so I'm very curious if this is actually going to be very volumizing. So why don't I start out applying it. Oh wow, I definitely noticed that dark black color immediately. Some of the pictures of showing the volume of this looked like really clumpy, kind of spidery lashes, which that's not my personal preference. I prefer more of the fanned out volumized look. So we'll see how this turns out. But the first layer is actually looking really good. Really dark. There's already a lot of volume added to my lashes. No clumping. And the lashes aren't sticking together or looking spidery. I'm liking it so far. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the lower lashes while I let those top lashes dry. It's a little tough and messy on my lower lashes just because of the size and the shape of the wand. I feel like I need a smaller, more straight wand to get my lower lashes easier. All right, and now let's see if I can layer it. It's layering really nicely. I thought that the lashes already looked super dark black, but they're looking even darker as I'm layering this up. Oh my gosh. And it's really not clumping. The lashes are staying pretty separated. This is kind of looking like a fiber mascara. But look at that. That's actually really, really impressive. Just these two layers and my lashes are so crazy volumized and dark. Go ahead and tap the ends to lengthen. Oh my gosh. I try out a lot of mascaras, and I thought just recently I had tried out like an amazing mascara, the Milk Kush mascara, and this one is even blowing that one away. It's just so volumizing and so dark. I can't even believe these are my lashes. And this is less than $7. Like, are you kidding me? This is amazing. Okay, drugstore mascara is where it's at. I know everyone says that, but it's been a while since I've tried out a drugstore mascara, and this is amazing. Let me show you a zoomed in view of the difference of my lashes. Like crazy. This is absolutely crazy. And the lashes, like, they don't look clumpy or spidery. They just look incredible. And then the fact that this is also supposed to have that tint benefit, like, this is absolutely a go-to daily mascara for me. But then that it also has that additional tint quality just makes it even better. And for so affordable, I can't even believe it. Like, to get your lashes actually tinted, which I have never done, but I bet it's very expensive. And what I absolutely love about this is that it builds up so much extreme volume so quickly. Like with my other mascaras that I love, where I can get a lot of volume, it takes so long for me to sit there and layer it up. But this, like on this first coat, it's already so volumized, like more volumized than other mascaras get after 3 or 4 coats. It definitely really is not working for me on the lower lashes though. I just really like cannot reach them for some reason. So that's my only complaint about this. But other than that, this mascara is incredible. Like, wow. I can't believe the volume, the color, the length to my lashes right now. Like, I'm actually like mind blown. This is the new mascara that I would recommend if someone's asking what mascara they should get, because it's so affordable, but it's so amazing and so fast to get that volume. And it'll tint my lashes, which I have very light lashes, so I'm really excited about that. And of course I'm gonna be wearing this every day because it's so beautiful and so quick to apply. Hopefully I've gotten my point across as to how much I love this. This is definitely a product that I will be repurchasing. And I don't even wanna keep being repetitive and just saying how blown away I am by this, but I just keep remembering that it also has the lash tint. And I've never even heard of a mascara that has that ability, and I'm just so excited about it. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.